Okay, so I thought in the new year I would just skip the intro and just get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a lot of activities to like glow up in a way, but basically just like get my life together. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is get my eyebrows done because like they're a mess and like I just need to get back on track, and this stuff like makes you feel better if you like are more put together. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And yeah, the background is different because my room has changed. And once I get all the decorations, I'm gonna do a little room tour because new year, new room. Enough talking, let's just get started. Also, I got a little car wash this morning, so my car is also getting a little transformation today. And I have my Dunkin' right now. They're doing like free medium hot coffee every week, so I got it today. It's Monday. And now I have energy for this video. Yeah, I kind of wanted to show you guys how my eyebrows look right now. They're like really messy. I don't tweeze my eyebrows because that hurts really bad. So yeah, this is what they look before my skin is breaking out. So I'm gonna do skincare when I get back, and I'm also gonna try to do something with my hair. So this is the place where I get my eyebrows done. I'm actually gonna do my nails at home, so I'm just getting my eyebrows done here. I'm running behind because I asked them if they took card and they said yes, and then I checked in and they were like, oh wait, it's like a $30 minimum, and I'm pretty sure it's only like $10 to get your eyebrows done. So I had to go to the bank, preparing myself to get roasted because my eyebrows look so bad, and I know they're gonna be able to tell that I haven't been in a while. It's super red right now, but they look so much better, and as soon as like the redness stops, it's gonna look so much better. But she like shaped them and everything, so I made sure to tip her. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, the next step is nails, and this is what they look like right now. So I'm actually gonna be doing them at home because I'm a broke college kid and I don't have $40 to spend on acrylics. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails at home. I feel like I'm giving my room away right now. Okay. So yeah, this is what they look like, and you can get these at Walmart or Target. They're just like a neutral color, and then like one of them is glittery. Nails are done. I really like them because they're like a neutral color and they're not long. They're not like super long, and I think they look really good. And yeah, these aren't like as expensive and permanent as acrylic, so I can like change them up. Okay, so next part in this little transformation, I'm gonna be doing my makeup really fast and some skincare. I do like super natural, like I literally stopped wearing foundation. So yeah, this is gonna be a really quick little makeup look. So for skincare, my sister gave me this. It's this yellow color and it's super cute. Also, I did change my nails. They're like cheetah print now. Yeah, this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream and it looks like this. And I want to do this really fast because I feel like doing my makeup is like the least interesting part. Yeah, I have this lip scrub and it's called Lips by Sugar. This is from Victoria's Secret. I don't know if they still sell it, but this is what it looks like. It's really not that messy. Just like get rid of the dead skin, I guess, but it also has like chapstick in it. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm using my phone right now because I was way too lazy to go and find a mirror and I was already comfortable, so. Okay, I really like this though. What is this called? Lash primer. It's like this white mascara that you put on before your mascara and it makes your eyelashes longer and like thicker. I don't know, it's kind of like a primer but for mascara. I think this makes like a huge difference. And I think I'm gonna do my eyeshadow while I wait for that to dry. I'm just using this like old Too Faced palette. Pretty sure they don't still sell this. I don't know. It's called the Natural Matte. It just has colors like this. And I think I'm just gonna do this orange color and then like one of the dark browns. Honey butter, I guess. I don't know if it's orange, but I think it looks orange. All over the lid. And then I just do like a dark brown on the corner. I feel like that's really simple. While I wait for my shadow primer to dry, I will open this Ipsy bag. Ooh, this is the Ipsy bag for month of January. This is called Magic Hour. Just gonna put some on the inner. Oh wow, guys, look at that. All right, so that's basically it for this makeup look, and then I'm gonna use the Too Faced roller. No, Benefit. It's really pretty, actually, just to like keep it.
Did you just see that fly?
And then it came with this lip gloss. I'm not doing that today. I'm just doing chapstick.
Yeah, well, no, duh, it's mine.
So I'm using this Benefit Roller Lash.
You're finishing night cream.
All right, guys, next step is the outfit for this last part. I'm getting my life together, getting my appearance together. So now it's time for the outfit part, and I thought I would show you guys a haul of new clothes I got for this year. So yeah. Okay, so I went to American Eagle and I got 3 things. The first thing I got is this black plain v-neck sweater, but it kind of has holes in it. So it looks like that. It's really soft, but it has holes in it. So I guess it's like not really that warm, but I think it was really cute and it's just black. So I feel like I'm gonna wear it a lot. It's like basic and I can wear it with a whole bunch of other stuff, and like my other clothes weren't really like that, so I got rid of them. Okay, this was $26. Okay, so this is the next thing I got, and it's just a hoodie, but it's pretty thick. As you can see, it's like striped kind of. And yeah, it's like this really cute red color. I think it'll look really cute and it's plain, so I still feel like I can wear this a lot. So yeah, this is actually from Aerie and the price tag says $50. But I think I paid $30 for it. I'm gonna try all this on, but it's really warm and soft, so I think I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. Okay, so the next thing I got is this hooded flannel. It has like a hood on it. I never had one of these before, but it looks like this. It's like this pink color, has blue in it, and it looks pretty warm, honestly. Not like the other flannels that I have. This is like a thicker one. This was also $29, so $30. Okay, the next place I went to was Marshall's, and Marshall's is cheaper. So I did get a hoodie from there, and this one actually looks really warm. It's like this pink tie-dye, and I'm actually really excited to wear this because it looks super comfortable. It's pretty big. I think this is a size medium. This was only $14.99, so I feel like that's a really good deal. And all the stuff that I got is gonna keep me warm. So yeah, that's the new clothes for the new year. Okay, so I really need to do something with this hair, but I'm gonna do this little teeth whitening pen thing and just do that really fast. This looks really stupid. Alright, last thing, I'm in my outfit right now, but I'm gonna put these little earrings on. I don't wear earrings, but I will today. I forget where I got these earrings from. I think it was Target. And then I'll show you guys my outfit in the mirror. I'm like too close.
My outfit.
This is a little embarrassing.
A shirt like this.
Maggie, please change your shirt. So this is the outfit. The jeans are American Eagle, and so is this sweater. And I'm just wearing this tank top because it has like a really thin strap. So yeah, this is the outfit. Alright, so hold on, they're being loud. But yeah, basically this is the transformation. And yeah.
Europe, yeah.
This was $4.
In Europe, they look at you like, you know that?
I thought you put raspberry.
I charge you 70 cents for that. I didn't end up taking pictures that day, but if you want to see pictures, just follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it up. Ew, my band-aid. That's so embarrassing. I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen, and that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a great year.